Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. As you can see, I have multiple packages in here. Let me go ahead and open them up and show you what's in here. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. So first and foremost, I have the Versed Planning, the Fashion and Floral, the 2.0. I will go ahead and show you this the minute I open. I'm going to be also doing individual flip-throughs of all of these items. Second, I have the Cassathetic Plans, her brand new sticker book. I am one of her ambassadors. I'm so happy to share this with you. So, Summer Garden. And then I have the anniversary bundle from Narrative Hues. I used to be an ambassador for her. Let me show you what this looks like, and then we'll go from there, okay? So I'm going to start with the Versa Planning. I'm so excited about this one. Let me show you. Also, if this is your first time joining, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. So it looks like these are on clear paper maybe. So you get 4 on each page of these. Okay, and then you have some plus size girls. Look at this with the flowers. Oh my lord, I am obsessed. Look at this one. She's so pretty. Look at this one. Gorgeous. So lots of girls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at all of this. Oh my lord. And then you get 5. You get 5 of these girls. Lemon one. Oh, look at this one. Some boxes. These actually have a blank inside, so if you put it on the page, it's not going to be on, you will still be able to write on these. So you have, look at this. Oh my gosh, so like fancy. I love it. So then you have this one. This one. Wow. Love it. Look at this. Christmas. Beautiful. Look at these little ones. They're awesome. Look at this. If you're making a coffee spread, this would be kind of perfect. Look at this tropical. Wow. I am loving these. I am really loving these. Oh, and you get big boxes. These are square. Whoa, look at this. This is gorgeous. And then you get some flowers that are cut in half for you. Look at this. Oh my lord. I am so obsessed. And then this. This is kind of cool with the piano and the little truck with flowers. And then this. So very cool book. I don't even know how many pages this is, but it's super gorgeous. It is smaller than like a typical, let's compare actually. So this is a typical Happy Planner sticker. So it's definitely wider, but shorter. This is like a typical Live, Love, Posh and stuff. And it is, skinnier and shorter, so just for comparison. Then we have the Summer Garden from Cassathetic Plans. You guys know that her stickers are absolutely stunning, so I wanted to share those with you. So you get paper, foil, paper foil. So just keep that in mind. Look at these. They're just like so classic and beautiful. Look at these. Oh my gosh, right? These smaller florals are stunning. And then you have backgrounds, which are kind of fun. These are all on clear. Look at these. And then we get boxes. So you get full box, half box, third box, and mini. So you get 2 pages of these. And then you get the sidebar, journaling, sidebar, journaling. And then these are little bullet points. And then you get skinny ones. So she utilized every single space. This is, I think, a full sticker sheet that you can just cut up the way you want it. And then you get her combinations right here, which are awesome. So that's the summer garden from Cassathetic Plans. I think it's lovely. And then, last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and show you the bundle box from this. And of course, we're going to swatch. So bear with me. You guys know I have a ton from her shop and I love it. So let me just show you. So first of all, you get this whole little thing with all of these different highlights. So look at this. Blues. This is kind of awesome. So I'll go through all of these to show you. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of little guys. They're so cute. So pretty much any color you can think of is in here. Yellows, purples, grays, greens, blues, purples. And it is on this little binder. I have another binder from her that I keep all of her combinations, but see, she had these before, so now they're on one page each, which is kind of cool because I use them to highlight dates a lot of times. So that's what it is. And then you get a washi. Let's open all of these up. Okay, and I do have it in the back. Excuse me. Yep. As you can see, I have a whole thing of this. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and write this down. So it's AN05, which is anniversary. 5th anniversary bundle, which I love. Okay. Let's see this one. I'm very curious to open it up and see what it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Purple grid. You guys, it's a purple grid. Purple, pink, purple, pink. How fun. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. This is a clear washi. There we go. I think that's a lot of fun. Then let's go ahead and open up this one. So this one is called AN05-30. So awesome. I hope you guys are ready for this because I am super excited to see. She always has such a fun designs. If you follow me for a while, you know that I love using these quite a bit, especially sorry you guys, especially in my catch-all and in my journal. So give me a second, I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, okay. So cool, look at this. Okay, so this is where it ends. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. Okay, let's cut this. Super awesome. Okay, then the other smaller one. So I'm gonna open this one up. Okay, and this one is AN0515. Okay, so I see lots of purple. Okay, let's see. Okay, lots of purple. Oh my gosh, it's like a magic little mushroom. Look at this, so cute. And it is perforated. And then last one, this one is AN05 and it's 48. So what that means is 48 millimeters. So it's almost 5 centimeters, which would make sense, right? It is a huge tape thing. So let me show you what this looks like, and then we'll go from there. The minute I open it, because it's kind of hard to open these, which, okay. Trying to be delicate not to ruin the tape, you guys, so that's the problem here. Okay, so we have that. Let's go ahead and pull this up like the other ones. Okay, these are boxes. Oh wow, okay, this is kind of cool actually. And then you go back to the original, so super cool. I'm so excited for this. So yep, so today we went over quite a bit. So this is the Narrative Hues box anniversary bundle. If you pre-ordered, it was $50. And then the Cassathetic Summer Gardens and the Versa plan. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you thought about this unboxing and haul, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.